explanation of each clause in the high-level structure, HLS, of ISO standards. Introduction. Scope. Defines the subject matter covered by the standard and its applicability. Normative references. Lists other published standards or documents that are indispensable for the application of the standard. Terms and definitions. Provides definitions of key terms used in the standard to ensure consistent understanding. Operational clauses. Context of the organization. Clause 4. Understanding the organization and its context. Requires the organization to determine external and internal factors that can impact its ability to achieve intended outcomes. Understanding the needs and expectations of interested parties. Identifies the relevant interested parties, stakeholders, and their requirements. Leadership. Clause 5. Leadership and commitment. Emphasizes the importance of leadership and commitment from top management in establishing, implementing, and maintaining the management system. Policy. Requires the organization to establish a policy aligned with its purpose and strategic direction. Organizational roles, responsibilities, and authorities. Defines roles, responsibilities, and authorities within the organization to ensure effective implementation of the management system. Planning. Clause 6. Actions to address risks and opportunities. Requires the organization to identify, assess, and address risks and opportunities relevant to the management system. Objectives and planning to achieve them. Establishes the need for setting objectives and planning the necessary actions to achieve them. Support. Clause 7. Resources. Ensures the provision of necessary resources, human, infrastructure, and environment for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving the management system. Competence. Addresses the need for competent personnel and the determination of necessary competence requirements. Awareness. Highlights the importance of awareness among personnel regarding the management system and its requirements. Communication. Establishes requirements for internal and external communication relevant to the management system. Documented information. Specifies the need for documented information, procedures, records, etc. to support the management system. Operation. Clause 8. Operational planning and control. Addresses the planning, implementation, and control of processes necessary for the delivery of products and services. Performance evaluation. Clause 9. Monitoring, measurement, analysis, and evaluation. Requires the organization to monitor, measure, analyze, and evaluate the performance of the management system. Internal audit. Establishes the need for conducting internal audits to assess the effectiveness of the management system. Management review. Requires top management to review the management system at planned intervals to ensure its continuing suitability, adequacy, and effectiveness. Improvement. Clause 10. Nonconformity and corrective. Establishes requirements for addressing nonconformities and taking corrective actions to prevent their recurrence. Continual improvement. Emphasizes the importance of continually improving the suitability, adequacy, and effectiveness of the management system. This structure provides a consistent framework for organizations to establish, implement, maintain, and continually improve their management systems, regardless of the specific ISO standard being applied.